To access global member data, navigate to the Start menu, New Features, and Global Member Data. This URL can be used to access this feature in the future, or generate a QR code for global member data by clicking this icon here for easy navigation from your mobile device. Global member data is an area to view interactive charts that show global and institutional animal counts in ZIMS in relation to data such as IUCN Red List status, CITES listing, and other valuable insights. Use the filters to change the graph type, view by taxa or animal counts, and to group the data in a way that is useful to you. Use the keys on the chart to view even more specific data, and expand the graph to get access to the data in a table format too. Explore this new feature at a global level or for your institution to gain new insights on animals managed in ZIMS. For more information on this or any other features in ZIMS, reach out to member support by email at support@species360.org.